I saw you today.
At the office?
Yes, near the elevator.
Oh, I remember now.
You looked busy.
I was in a rush.
You did not say hi.
I thought you were busy.
I was just waiting.
I did not notice you.
That felt strange to me.
Why did it feel strange?
We usually talk every day.
That is true.
So I was surprised.
I understand that.
Did something change?
No, nothing changed.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
You seemed different.
Maybe just tired.
Work pressure again?
Yeah, a little too much.
I get that feeling.
It has been a long week.
Same for me.
What happened with you?
Too many meetings.
That sounds exhausting.
It really was.
Did you finish everything?
Not really. Still pending.
That is stressful.
Yeah, a bit stressful.
Maybe you need a break.
I was thinking that.
A short walk helps.
I should try that.
Even 10 minutes works.
Good idea.
You look tired too.
I did not sleep well.
Why not?
Too many thoughts.
About work?
Mostly about the future.
That happens sometimes.
Do you think a lot?
Yes, maybe too much.
Same here.
It can be heavy.
Yeah, it feels heavy.
But talking helps.
It really does.
You can always talk to me.
I appreciate that.
We are friends.
Yes, we are.
So tell me more.
I feel stuck lately.
Stuck in what way?
Same routine every day.
Work, home, repeat?
Exactly that.
That can feel boring.
Not just boring, empty.
I understand that feeling.
Do you ever feel that?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What do you do then?
I try something new.
Like what?
New places or hobbies.
That sounds interesting.
It helps my mind.
Maybe I should try.
You should try small steps.
Small steps feel easier.
Exactly, no pressure.
I like that idea.
Start with something simple.
Maybe reading again.
That is a good start.
I used to enjoy books.
Why did you stop?
I got too busy.
That happens to many people.
I want that habit back.
You can rebuild it.
Slowly, I guess.
Yes, 1 page daily.
That sounds easy.
Consistency matters more.
You are right.
Also, choose fun books.
Not heavy ones?
Not in the beginning.
Good advice.
What else do you miss?
Maybe learning new skills.
Like what kind?
Maybe communication skills.
That is important.
I want more confidence.
You already speak well.
I still feel unsure.
That is normal.
How did you improve?
I practiced every day.
With people?
Yes, and by myself.
By yourself?
I spoke in the mirror.
That feels awkward.
At first, yes.
Did it really help?
A lot, actually.
Interesting.
You hear your own voice.
That builds awareness.
Exactly.
I might try that.
You should definitely try.
I want to grow.
That is a great mindset.
Sometimes I doubt myself.
Everyone feels that.
Even you?
Yes, many times.
You seem confident.
I practice confidence daily.
Practice confidence?
Yes, like a habit.
How does that work?
I speak positive thoughts.
To yourself?
Yes, every morning.
That sounds powerful.
It really is.
Maybe I need that.
You definitely do.
I want to better routine.
We can plan together.
That would help me.
Let's start it slowly.
I like this plan.
We can start tomorrow.
Tomorrow sounds good.
Morning or evening.
Maybe early morning.
That is a strong choice.
I want fresh energy.
Morning gives clarity.
I need that clarity.
We'll keep it simple.
Simple is better.
So, first step is what?
Wake up early.
Good start.
Then read a little.
Nice.
Then practice speaking.
Perfect plan.
I feel motivated now.
That is great to hear.
Thanks for listening.
Always here for you.
I needed this talk.
Me too, honestly.
Really?
Yes, I feel lighter.
That makes me happy.
Sometimes we forget to pause.
Yes, life moves fast.
Too fast sometimes.
We should slow down more.
I agree with that.
Let us do this together.
Yes, together is better.
We can stay consistent.
Consistency brings real change.
I believe that now.
So what is next?
We track our progress.
That is a smart move.
Maybe use a notebook.
Or a simple app.
I prefer writing by hand.
That feels more personal.
Yes, it keeps me focused.
Then start with that.
I will write daily goals.
Keep them small and clear.
No big pressure.
Exactly. Just steady steps.
What about weekends?
We can relax a bit.
But not fully stop.
Right. Just lighter effort.
I like that balance.
Balance keeps you going.
I used to go extreme.
That can burn you out.
Yes, I lost motivation fast.
Now we do it smarter.
Slow and steady.
That always wins.
What about speaking practice?
We can talk daily.
Like this conversation?
Yes, simple and natural.
That feels comfortable.
Comfort helps confidence grow.
I want that confidence.
You will build it soon.
I hope so.
Do not rush yourself.
I will remember that.
Also celebrate small wins.
Like what?
Finishing a book page?
Or speaking without fear.
Exactly, those moments.
I often ignore small wins.
They matter the most.
I will pay attention now.
That will change your mindset.
Mindset is everything.
Yes, it shapes your actions.
And actions shape results.
You are learning fast.
Thanks to you.
You are doing the work.
I feel more aware.
That is the first step.
What about bad days?
They will come sometimes.
I usually quit then.
Do not quit anymore.
What should I do instead?
Do something very small.
Like just one task?
Yes, just one is enough.
That sounds manageable.
It keeps the habit alive.
I like that idea.
Progress is not always perfect.
But it still counts.
Exactly. It always counts.
I feel less pressure now.
That is important.
Pressure used to stop me.
Now you move with ease.
This feels different.
In a good way?
Yes, in a calm way.
Calm brings clarity.
And clarity brings direction.
You are getting stronger.
I can feel it.
That is real growth.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too. It helped me.
Really helped you?
Yes, I needed this reminder.
We both needed it.
Sometimes we guide each other.
That makes friendship special.
I agree with that.
We should do this often.
Let's make it weekly.
Like a check-in talk.
Yes, simple and honest.
I like that plan.
It'll keep us on track.
And motivated too.
Exactly.
I feel excited now.
That is a good sign.
Change feels possible.
It always was possible.
I just didn't see it.
Now you do.
Yes, I really do.
Hold on to that feeling.
I will try my best.
That is enough.
Thank you again.
You are always welcome.
Let's start tomorrow.
Tomorrow is our new start.
I'm ready for it.
So am I.
This time feels different.
Because you believe now.
Yes, I finally do.
Then nothing can stop you.
Let us prove that.